This is someone else's mistake, but now we have to get it out. She's red hot, boys. We've got the studs in. Now we're using an RB 25 gasket. I'm gonna cut it out. She's off. Time to put the new seal in. Bit of stag.
Bit of stag on the beach. Now don't get any of this on your vagina, ladies.
It's because that shit will stick at clothes.
Because you won't up and back up, you know.
It's just fun. Been down to Super Cheap. I bought these little block offs. This is going to block off the old hose here. It used to run up straight up into the plenum. It was an idle warmer, so we're going to use those, and we're going to block that one off. I've got a new thermostat to go in, some hose clamps, and I bought a new bit of hose to replace this one. And these ones here, they all look reasonable, so I'm going to run them, and if I have problems I'll have to pull them out, because this is a budget build. So, and I tried to find one of these fittings. We're going to delete this, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm just going to put the hose all the way up to there and hose clamp it, and we shouldn't have any leaks, hopefully not. But we'll find out anyway. If that doesn't work, then I'll have to go and try and buy one from somewhere. I couldn't find any at Super Cheap. So let's get into it. Here she is, ready to go back in.
What's up?
What's up? You ready to put this demon back in? It's going to be great. Bit of a smoko break before she gets donked back in the in the fully synced bay.
I think she's going to fit.
I think she's going to fit. So she's back in. We got it back in. Look at that. Looking fresh. We got old Jimmy over here tightening up a few loose ends.
That one's not getting done up.
What is it?
That one there, can't get into it.
No, just do it up with your teeth, mate. Should be alright. Fucking you ripper. Look at that. Been a very busy day today. We've got a lot accomplished. Finished putting the gearbox and everything back in, all the cross members. Had to take the tail shaft off to get it into the back of the gearbox. Got the motor in. Everything's looking pretty good. I've just got a few things to tidy up. I've got to plug all the wiring back in, figure out new lines, fuel regulator, intercooler piping, all the good stuff, all the fun stuff. But the big job is done. It's back in the bay and it's looking great. I've now packed everything away. I've tidied everything up. It's now about 8 o'clock in the evening. This is about as far as I'm going to go in this video. The motor's back in, gearbox, everything's all done up tight. So I just hope you enjoyed this video. The next video I'm probably going to pull the fuel tank out, do all the fuel system, put the intercooler piping in, just get the whole thing done. Probably in a couple of episodes. And we'll turn the key and start it, and hopefully she makes some choo-choo sounds. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.